Hello and welcome back to Full Scholarships. Today we'll be discussing about Switzerland scholarships and internships that do not require IELTS and TOEFL certifications. So if you do not have any of the TOEFL or IELTS, you don't have to worry, you are still eligible to apply and we'll show you the full process. But before that, let me remind you, if you are not followed us on Instagram, please click the follow button here. Also, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button here. Also press the bell notification icon to receive the exclusive videos first. You can also watch our previous videos here and apply to them as well. The links are in the respective descriptions. For today's opportunity, you can get the link from video description below, or you can get it from our Instagram bio here. You can also watch our Instagram story and click there. So after clicking on the link in the video description or here from Instagram bio, you will be redirected to this page. You can also message us on Instagram, ask for the link, or comment down below. We'll send you the link. So after reaching to this page, here you can read the details about this. You can pursue undergraduate, masters and PhD courses in Switzerland, and different types of scholarships are available there. So in some cases, bachelor's is not available and masters and PhD is fully available. So here are a list of universities in Switzerland which do not require IELTS. So here you can check the list of 5 universities. So you can apply to any of them as well. Similarly, here you can check how to study and which alternative documents provide for IELTS. So if you highlights, that's okay, but if you do not have, it's nothing to worry there. So you can get the previous certificate from a previous institute, previous university, stating that your course was taught in English. The course that you had previously was completely in English, so that's enough to submit there. So here's the list of scholarships in Switzerland. The first one is Swiss Government Excellence Scholarship. So let us check what is inside this. So simply click here on this, visit here. So let the page load, and here you can check fully funded Switzerland scholarships in Switzerland. So we have shown a full video on this, so you can read about this. So the deadline for this particular scholarship is 30th of September, means you have only 6 days left. So you can check here the video about this scholarship. So you have to watch this full video, and there is a complete application process in this video about this scholarship. So it's for masters and postdoc research degrees. Similarly, the second you can see here is UNIL scholarship in Switzerland. So let's check this. Simply click on this. So let's wait for the page to load. So here you can check UNIL masters grants. So you can read the details about this particular, and here are the full details, necessary conditions. So how can I apply for a master's scholarship? So you must not make an application for admission to master's degree via admissions department. So we do not have to submit the application for admissions to master's degree via admissions department. So we might have to send through this process. So let me check this. So you do not have to submit the application in any university or online base. You have to simply get the application form here. Let me check the application form, and here is the application form, and here is the list of documents. Let me open the both. So let the page load. All you have to do is just submit the application. This application, you have to fill this application. Here you can edit everything, so you can fill every detail here. So everything is editable here. You have to fill this application form and then attach these documents here listed here, and then send to this address mentioned here on the first page. So you can read also here, the application form must be completed on a computer and duly signed by the candidate. So you have to fill this application form and then sign here, and then send at this address with these documents attached. Similarly, going to next internship page, so we have covered both of the scholarships. This you have to click here for Swiss government scholarship and watch video, and the application process is completely shown this in that video. And simply for this we have shown you the process. And now for CER internship program, the deadline for this is 11th of October. You have to simply click here on open link, open visit here, and let us wait for the page to load. So here you can check Switzerland internship program. So we have also made full video on this, how to apply to particular scholarship with live applications. We have covered almost every video, so we are just reminding you the deadlines are very close. So you should, if you have incomplete applications, if you have any document pending, you should complete that by before the last date. So here you can watch full video on how to get Switzerland internship. We have made the easier for you and shown fully the application process, so you can check that and read details here and simply scroll down and apply. So but I recommend you watch a full video so that you cannot miss any part of the internship video. So next is our CERN Administrative Student Program 2022. So simply you have to click here and open this link. So let me close other windows. So here you can check Administrative Student Program 2021-2022. So you can read details here. And documents. So simply click I am interested. Then you have to fill these application process details and simply click next. We have also shown in this video. What you can see here is same. You have to watch, click here on this here and you'll be redirected to our page. Here is the video and it's similar to this. You have to fill almost same details in this section. You have to watch this video of CERN internship from our CERN playlist, Switzerland playlist, and you have to fill these details according to this video. We have shown complete process in this video. So next is our CERN doctoral student program. So you can simply click here and check here, so you can read details. So you have just a common portal for CERN and you have to fill details, and the application process is for same for all. So we have shown this video and it's also covered in this. You have to fill details, only you might have upload other document for doctoral. So it's completely same. We have shown every process in this video. Here you can check this video. So I will show a small part of this video also. Please continue watching. So next is our CERN technical student internship program. Simply click here and open. So you can check details here. So you can choose any of your preferred field. So I am applying for this general and civil engineering. So simply you can check the portal is again same. The same portal is for all scholarship. It's like CERN Institute autonomous body and they provide all these opportunities. Simply click on I am interested and you can again see the same process. So all these listed scholarships internships have the same process except this UNIL scholarship. So only you have to physically submit the hard documents in this UNIL scholarship. Otherwise for all others you have to submit online applications. So there is no application fee, there is no requirement of IELTS. You have to simply submit your details, education details, and then your resume or CV and some personal information, and then simply next and submit. So let me show you the video on you. Please keep an eye on this, how this portal looks, and let me show you the video on how actually this looks.
Hello and welcome to Full Scholarship.
So let me adjust the quality. So here you can check, we have, it is our previous video, you have to watch this and same process is covered. You can check the same portal again and there is some addition of courses for new, and here you can check, like I am applying for this general or civil engineering. I have taught you in this new video, and also I have covered this in previous video. So simply you can check the portal is same. I told you previously that you keep an eye on this portal. It's same for every opportunity. You have to keep the process same, so you don't have to worry. Once you open this portal, you will get familiar to these options and tabs that you have to fill. So similarly, click here on this I am interested. So you can also watch previous videos of all courses. We have covered everything, and I am reminding you, if you are not subscribed to us, please subscribe, and you won't regret subscribing to us, as we post daily opportunities with new videos. And so here you can check, it's completely shown in our previous video. So let me fast forward this video to some point. So here you can check, I told you to keep an eye on our previously on this portal. So here you can check, we have completely shown the video, so you can check the details are same, and you have to fill all details we have previously filled. So here you can check, then submitting resume and some preliminary questions like your gender, date of birth, and then simply other details like are you 18 months is your age, and you have to answer these questions. So I am fast forwarding this for you so that you can get an overview of this video. So adding an attachment, it's not required, it's an additional. So select the most preferred option. Please do not copy paste any of the information shown in this video. It's just for educational purpose, and we have not used our correct details. It's just to show you how to submit the application. So simply here you can check, I have clicked on the submit button, and let the page load. It's our previous video, and I'm just voice overing over this. So here you can check, application at CERN has been successfully submitted. So I hope you have liked this video, and you can check full details on this. So keep watching all our videos, and for today's this link you can get it from video description or Instagram bio. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.